these pancakes are really good. I might have to order some more from you. Like, they have the perfect amount of crisp, the perfect amount of fluff. These are fire. Thanks.
There you have it. Chrissy endorsed, only at Black Woman Farmer on Etsy.com. Hey everybody, it's Black Woman Farmer back with a quick little video. So a woman wrote to me and asked me about tips and tricks for building a farm stand, growing your farm stand, and what to sell in your farm stand. So we're going to get right into it, okay? Your market is going to be decided by your customer. That's basically every single business on the face of this earth. If you have products and items in your store and the market does not want these items, it is not going to sell. So here are some pretty simple tricks and tips for you in order for you to have some success. Number 1, bake popular items that you know are going to be best sellers. Which items are those? Plain white bread, chocolate chip cookies, whole wheat bread, snickerdoodles, moon pies. So basically, you are giving the customer something that is tried and true. Something that's been around for a very long time, something that you know is popular and is going to be a bestseller. Number 2, cut flowers are always going to be in demand. Most people enjoy having fresh cut flowers grace their dinner table. They enjoy having fresh cut flowers next to their bedroom. See, even Kitty agrees. Isn't that right, Kitty? It looks beautiful, it's great presentation, and I think it's going to be a really good seller for you. Grow stuff that's easy to grow. So basically you want to plant it and you want to forget about it. Number 3, sell soap. Goat's milk is always going to be a customer favorite forever. Same thing with tallow. Forever. Shea butter soap. And something that I like to do is throw in a little vegan soap for people who do not like animal products. Number 4, whatever herbs that you have on your property is what you should be selling. And the herbs that I would recommend that you grow are peppermint, rosemary, thyme, and if you want to throw in something like a wild card, maybe you could do coriander, marjoram, something like that. Maybe you could do ginger, which is a root. Try to stick to something that you know people are going to cook with at all times, and something that's easy to plant and easy to grow. And the last point is this. When you set up your farm stand, just remember that your farm stand is going to be a reflection of you and your company. Paint it a bright color, something that you know that people are going to be able to see very easily from the roadside. I recommend a nice bright red, a nice bright yellow, or a robin's egg blue. So you want it to be plainly decorated with signs that the customer can just tell how much for the price of your soap, how much for your moon pies. It should be kept very simple. It should be cleaned every single day, and it needs to have a drop box where they can deposit their money. Start slow. and have specific items, but think big. And that's basically it. Very simple tips and tricks. Do not get overwhelmed. It is better to have a select few items that you know are going to be popular and best sellers than to have a lot of items out that no one is buying, and that creates confusion and stress for you. I hope that this was a good video for you and you can take with it what you can. This is Black Woman Farmer, and I will see you in the next one.